Scientists just discovered a full moon influences humanity. In the year 2023, the scientific world was rocked to its core by an astounding revelation, straight from the stargazers. Brace yourself for this astronomical bombshell, our cherished moon, Earth's steadfast companion since time immemorial. It had been experiencing a significant shift in its axial rotation, now known as the Moon Wobble. This unusual phenomenon holds the potential for catastrophic implications, particularly concerning rising sea levels and coast flooding. In this captivating video, we will embark on an exploration of the moon's captivating history, its profound influence on Earth's biosphere, the enigma behind the Moon Wobble, and reveal the discovery of how a full moon influences humanity. So let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, the moon has always fascinated people throughout history. It's not just your beautiful sight in the night sky. Rather, it also affects the tides and helps us navigate and keep track of time. But the moon's influence on Earth is much more complex than we thought. Even though it is about 238,855 miles away, its gravity interacts with Earth's gravity in a way that creates interesting effects. The Moon Wobble is one of those effects, where the moon moves and sways in rotation. However, the Moon Wobble is not just a celestial spectacle. It has real-world consequences, particularly when it comes to raising sea levels and coastal flooding. Scientists are worried that this lunar phenomenon could lead to more frequent and destructive coastal floods than what we previously anticipated due to climate change. As we face this new and unknown situation, researchers and scientists are working hard to understand the Moon Wobble better. They want to know how it will affect our planet and what they can do to prepare for the global crisis that might be on the horizon. One of the moon's most distinctive features is its orbit, which lies near the plane of the ecliptic rather than Earth's equatorial plane. This alignment gives rise to solar and lunar eclipses, captivating celestial events that have inspired awe, scientific curiosity, and a rich tapestry of mythology and folklore throughout human history. Now, when you look at the moon's surface, it might seem dull and unchanging at first glance. But don't be fooled, it's actually hiding a wild past full of action. There were times when asteroids crashed into it, leaving their mark, and volcanoes erupting with fiery enthusiasm. Scientists explore the moon's surface to uncover its secrets and to learn more about how it has changed over time. By doing so, they also gather clues about how our own planet and other rocky worlds got their start. But wait, there's more. The moon has played a vital role in our adventures beyond Earth. It acted as a helpful stepping stone for the famous Apollo missions back in the 1960s and the 1970s. Thanks to those brave astronauts, we got to leave our footprint and tire tracks on the moon's dusty terrain. Those marks remind us of our incredible achievements, our insatiable curiosity, and our undying spirit of exploration. The moon holds a special place in our hearts because of all these reasons, and it continues to be an important part of our journey through space. However, the recent discovery of the Moon Wobble has added a new layer of complexity and urgency to our understanding of Earth's closest celestial neighbor. This anomaly, while potentially perilous, presents us with an opportunity to reevaluate and appreciate our connection to the moon as we embrace ourselves for what lies ahead. The effects of the moon on Earth's biosphere go far beyond its visible role in the night sky. Humans have long observed the correlation between lunar cycles and various earthly phenomena, recognizing that these subtle relationships have tangible implications for life on our planet. The moon's gravitational pull primarily governs the tides, shaping the ebb and flow of oceans and seas. This lunar modulation of tidal forces has a profound impact on coastal ecosystems, creating nutrient-rich waters that support a diverse range of marine life. These celestial tides hold the secret of life beneath the surface. They carry vital nutrients, nurturing a diverse array of marine creatures. Along the coasts, there are magical intertidal zones, bustling with biodiversity. These special habitats become nurturing havens for various species during their early stages of life. Now let's not forget our feathered and fairy friends. The moon extends its enchantment beyond the ocean realm. Countless of birds, animals, look up to the moon for guidance in their journeys. From navigation to molting and feeding, lunar cycles guide their every move. It's almost as if the moon whispers in their ears, revealing the secrets of the night sky. Nature's clockwork is beautifully synchronized with the moon's glow. Take, for example, the mesmerizing phenomena of coral spawning. As the moon cycles through its phases, coral releases its reproductive cells in perfect harmony. It's a celestial rendezvous that showcases the moon's influence on the intricate biological clocks of our planet. Yes, amidst this captivating cosmic ballet, a new element of uncertainty has emerged: the moon wobble. Scientists are still puzzling over the exact causes of this peculiar dance, suspecting that gravitational interactions between Earth, the moon, and other celestial bodies hold the key. However, the moon wobble has introduced a new level of uncertainty into this delicate equilibrium. Scientists have discovered the moon's axial rotation, the motion by which it spins on its axis, is experiencing irregularities. This means that the moon's orientation in relation to Earth is shifting, albeit gradually. The exact causes of the moon wobble are still being studied, but it is believed to be influenced by factors such as the gravitational interactions between the Earth, Moon, and other celestial bodies. The consequences of the moon wobble on Earth are significant, particularly when it comes to coastal areas. The moon's gravitational pull already contributes to tides, but with the moon wobble, the tidal patterns become more unpredictable and extreme. This can lead to a significant increase in high tides and a corresponding rise in sea levels along coastlines. Coastal flooding becomes a major concern as higher sea levels, combined with storm surges and extreme weather events, can result in devastating consequences for communities living in these vulnerable regions. Low-lying coastal areas, including cities and towns, face an increased risk of inundation and erosion. Infrastructure, homes, and livelihoods are all at stake, and efforts to adapt and mitigate these risks become paramount. The moon wobble has prompted a worldwide effort to address its potential impacts. Government scientists and communities are collaborating to assess vulnerabilities, devise adaptation strategies, and bolster coastal resilience. They're taking practical steps like fortifying coastal defenses, implementing early warning systems, advocating sustainable land use practices, and integrating climate change considerations into urban planning. This lunar phenomenon has shed light on the profound influence of celestial bodies on our planet. By studying and comprehending these celestial dynamics, we can strive to safeguard our fragile ecosystems, protect coastal communities, and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. In conclusion, the moon wobble serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth and its cosmic companions. It urges us to value and preserve space, and preserve the delicate balance we share amidst the vastness of space. Through collaborative efforts and a deepened understanding of these celestial forces, we can navigate this new chapter in our relationship with the moon and work towards a more resilient and harmonious world. And that brings us to the end of this captivating journey through the mysteries of the moon wobble and its implications for our planet. Remember that the moon is not just a distant object in the night sky, it's a dynamic force, intricately woven into the fabric of Earth's existence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our cosmic explorations. As always, keep looking up to the stars and let your curiosity soar. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of our universe.